Okay, so Ottoza Sheath. I've used this quite a bit. It's for my Forester M grip. I like it, but it's getting to the point where I need to modify it because it looks trashy. It's not your fault, Ottoza. It's mine. I'm pretty rough on my shit. So, one thing I noticed about this particular sheath is I like the layout of those holes, but it's way too long. So I'm going to shorten it to right about there. I'm also going to change out the stitch color. That's frayed quite a bit, so I think I'm going to hydrate this first. I'm going to use some conditioner. Yeah, let's see how that looks first. Conditioner. And that explains the price point. I mean, it was obvious from the outside, truly, but I mean, when it's taken apart, you can truly see, without the burnished edges, you can see how much real leather is actually in there. That little thin ass fucking strip, and the rest is just fiber. Barely any collagen in it left to hold together those fibers. I mean, but for what it is, it's durable. But just don't think you're getting like a veg tan cowboy saddle type of leather. You make a baseball glove out of this. That'd be alright. So this is more than a conditioner. These are just the fats, oils, collagen, all that stuff that was normally in skin. I'm in restoration. I do all kinds of stuff. A lot of my business, we handle a lot of furniture because that's what's popular and that's what's accessible. So that's what we market towards. But we do a bunch of antiques, art, apparel, depending. A lot of my money is in... I make money when other people make mistakes. As sad as that is. But they only call a pro when shit hits the fan. Let that soak in, but... let's go look in the sun. Added some browns to it because why the hell not? So far. Purple stitching. Not even halfway done yet. So far I've got about, just the stitching, 45 minutes of work into it. I'm trying to see exactly if it's worth it. I mean, I know it's worth it, but I got 45 minutes of work and another sheath that's good quality. Runs starting at like $50. If I wanted something custom, looking at 75 to 80. Time to buffer. And that's what she looks like. Thank you, Ottoza. I used this purple stitching after I shortened it up to get everything together. Looks pretty good. This is microcord. It's just thin diameter paracord. I use that in a lot of my leather projects because I can unlace it, and that's about 12 feet of survival cord I can take out whenever the hell I want, and that purple stitch is going to keep everything together. But yeah, when you saw it before, it was rough. It was dried out, falling apart from sweat and water, so I waxed it, hydrated it, buffed it, burnished it, did everything, and it looks pretty nice. I dig it. Clean. Anyways, yeah, I got ideas. I'm going to share a few more, so just try following me. Maybe we can share ideas. Happy New Year.